Yeah, hi Mark, it's Mark at FMAV. Just doing your laser. So basically what I've done is I've given it a good check over for you, just check the cogs. They're still tight, you know, there's a bit of wear in there, but it's nothing to worry about. So what I've done is I've actually changed the laser head in there for you. I've put a brand new laser in for you, and it's spinning up fine. So, you know, you got a 6-month warranty on this laser. So if there's any problems, you know, obviously, you know, we'll replace that free of charge. All we ever ask for is the postage on that. So yeah, I've given it a check over for you. I've checked the main board for you. That seems all nice, clean. There's a little bit of wear on the cogs. Nothing mega. You know, it's quite an old part now. So you are going to get a bit of wear. The micro switch is okay. It's clean. So yeah, you shouldn't get any problems with that. You know, sooner, if you know what I mean. So, you know, it should last you another few more years. And as long as we're around, you know, we'll be happy to help you out and keep changing the heads for you. So yeah, okay. Thank you very much, Mark. I really appreciate your business, and you know, hope you guys are well, and you know, you're staying safe, and you know, you ain't getting this bloody coronavirus. So yeah, thank you very much, and I'm getting that in the post today for you. Okay, so it's a 24-hour turnaround for you. Okay, preferred customer. Cheers, Mark. Thanks, buddy. Have a great day.